BlueStacks 5 is stuck on the loading screen. Let's fix this problem. First, open Chrome and search for Revo Uninstaller. The search results appear on the screen. Click the first results to open the Revo Uninstaller website. Scroll down and click the free download button. A Save As dialog appears. Click Save to download. Wait for the download to finish completely. The download is complete. Now go to your downloads folder. Double-click rebootup.exe and click Yes on the prompt. The Revo Setup wizard opens with a license agreement. Accept the agreement and click Next. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. Revo Uninstaller opens and shows all your installed programs. Sign BlueStacks in the list and select it. Click the Uninstall button at the top. Revo starts the initial analysis with moderate scanning mode. The BlueStacks uninstaller launches on screen. Click Uninstall to confirm removing BlueStacks. BlueStacks is being uninstalled now. Uninstall complete. Click the completed button. Revo is now scanning for leftover items. Click Scan to find any remaining leftovers. Leftover registry items have been found. Select all registry items and click Delete. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Leftover files and folders are also found. Click Yes to delete these files too. Now select BlueStacks services in the program list. Click Uninstall to remove BlueStacks services. Revo performs the analysis for BlueStacks services. The scanning is in progress now. Click Scan to find remaining leftovers. Registry items found for BlueStacks services. Select all and click Delete to remove them. Leftover files are found. Click Finish to clean up. BlueStacks is now completely removed from your computer. Now we need to download BlueStacks again. Click the link in the video description to download. This week works for 50% people. Other follow next steps. Here is the official BlueStacks website. Click the Download BlueStacks button. The installer is downloading. Wait for it to finish. Download complete. Now run the installer. Click Agree and Install to begin installation. The installer is open on the desktop. BlueStacks is being installed on your PC. Checking system requirements now. The installation is progressing nicely. Open the Multi-Instance Manager from your desktop. You can see your BlueStacks instances listed here. Click New Instance and select Fresh Instance. Choose your preferred Android version. Select NuGet 32-bit from the version drop-down. The configuration settings appear. Set CPU to medium 2 cores and memory to 2 GB. Click the Download button to get this instance. The NuGet instance is downloading now. Both instances are visible in the manager. Download complete. Both have start buttons. Delete the old Pi 64-bit instance. Only the NuGet 32-bit instance remains now. The instance is ready. Let me start it up. Click Start to open BlueStacks Player 1. Double-click the shortcut to launch BlueStacks. BlueStacks 5 is starting up with NuGet 32-bit. The progress bar is actually moving now. The loading is almost done. BlueStacks is opening. BlueStacks has opened successfully. The home screen shows games and everything works. Quit My Games to Fear apps. Store and system apps are here, fully functional. The loading problem is completely fixed. You can install any game or app now. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.